before the end of the financial year.
So how much would flow to the Indiabulls bottom line? I mean, this would be an extraordinary earning. How much can one expect?
It's not a very large transaction. It will be a transaction in the range of 40 to 45 crores.
Okay, for that 26% stake.
26%.
Okay.
That is correct.
Well, Gagan, what do you see as the main drivers of growth here, or what's the vision at Indiabulls? Do you all see yourselves largely as a mortgage-backed lender and a bit of consumer finance, or will there be other interests like this interest in commodity exchange in course of time?
There will be no other interests other than mortgage finance and commercial vehicle finance. So there is no consumer finance element, as consumer finance is understood to be auto loans, personal loans, all of those loans we don't want to be doing. The only loan that we used to do earlier, which was different, was SME financing, which we've merged into our mortgage business.
Okay.
So we will essentially be primarily a mortgage lender with a presence in the commercial vehicle segment also. And the growth is all going to come from here and no other segment. We are very, very clear with our bankers and our rating agencies that the company is going to focus over the course of the next 3 to 5 years in essentially the mortgage lending business.
And what would be the kind of CAGR you would give yourself in terms of balance sheet growth or loan book growth?
So, over a period of time, the CAGR we are happy with is 25 to 30%. The next year to year and a half could witness a slightly higher rate of growth because our base right now is only, as we speak, it is 15,000 crores on a capital of over 4,500 crores. But over, let's say, 3 to 5 year type of CAGR, I expect the number to be in the ballpark range of 25%.
Okay. What about Indiabulls Securities? That would be a fully owned arm of Indiabulls Financial Services?
No. Indiabulls Financial Services is a totally ring-fenced part of the group. It has no cross-holding with any other part of the group. So Indiabulls Securities is an independently listed company, and so are real estate and power. So it's a business which runs with no cross-holding or no balance sheet exposure of any sort to any other part of the group.
Okay. Well, since you know so many pieces of this financial services business, Gagan, what's your sense? Will home loans be a roaring business? How do you see real estate prices itself going? Could that be a dampener?
Home loans, to answer that question, will be a roaring business. As a country, we are, the mortgage part of our country is only 7% of GDP.
That so point is taken. But in the immediate, but in the near future, there is a rise in asset prices.
In an economy which is growing at 8.5%, and with such tremendous shortfall of urban homes of 20 million and all of those large numbers, I believe for traction to continue in the home loan space per se will not be difficult, because you have to appreciate that most home loan transactions are still happening in the range of 30 to 45 lakhs.
Point taken.
And are not happening in the range of 1 or 2 crores.
But
the real price sensitivity really comes in these big ticket transactions.
Yeah, point taken. But still, if I can get a view from you on where real estate prices in the city are headed over the next 6 months.
Real estate prices in the city have appreciated, and I believe that they would either stay stable or could marginally correct. It will be a function of pockets. So pockets which will see a lot of supply coming in could stay stable or marginally correct, and largely the city should witness stable prices over the course of the next 1.5 years.
All right, Gagan, with your permission, if I can just get one more question in on something which is not Indiabulls Financials, on the revamping that you all announced with respect to the power business and taking it away completely from the real estate entity. What is the logic behind this, if you can give us some perspective?
Lata, I will want to comment on that absolutely independently. So we will do this discussion later during the course of the day.
All right, point taken. Gagan Banga, thank you very much for joining us with those details. So that's a good set of numbers coming in from Indiabulls Financial Services. Over to you, Ekta.
Thanks, Lata, for joining us. Indeed, very good set of numbers. That's what Indiabulls Securities is doing. Indiabulls Financial up about 6%.